Good day, sir. We are reporting Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The UDHR is a made-up 30 article that explain that basic right every person should have simply for being human. It begins by stating that all people are born born free and equal. Yet in a real life, equality is not always practiced, and those with more advantage often receive better treatment. True justice required not only treating anyone equally, but also helping those who are less fortun- fortunate. Article number 1. Equality. Anyone is born free and equal in dignity and right. Article number 2. Freedom from discrimination. Anyone has the same right regardless of race, color, sex, language, religion, or status. Article number 3. Right to life. Anyone has the right to live, be free, and feel safe. Article number 4. Freedom from slavery. No one shall be enslaved or forced to work against their will. Article number 5. Freedom from torture. No one should suffer torture or cruel and inhuman punishment. Article number 6. Recognition as a person. Anyone has a right to be recognized as a person before the law. Article number 7. Equality before the law. All are equality before the law and deserve protection without discrimination. Article number 8. Right to justice. It right are If rights are violated, people should be able to seek fair justice. Article number 9. Freedom from arbitrary arrest. No one should be arrested or detained without a valid reason. Article number 10. Fair trial. Anyone has the right to fair and public trial. Article number 11. Presumption of innocence. A person is innocent until proven guilty. Article number 12. Privacy. Anyone has the right to privacy in their family, home, and personal life. Article number 13. Freedom of movement. People have the right to move out their country and leave of return. Article number 14. Right to asylum. People can seek protection in another country if they are being persecuted. Article number 15. Right to nationality. Anyone has the right to a nationality and to change if they wish. Article number 16. Right to marry and family. Adults can marry, have family, and enjoy equal right in marriage. Article number 17. Right to own property. People can own property and cannot be unfairly detained it. Article number 18. Freedom of thought and religion. No one can think freely and practice any religion. Article number 19. Freedom of opinion and expression. People can express their ide- ideas and opinion freely. Article 20. Freedom of assembly. People can gather peacefully in groups or organization. Article 21. Participation in government. Anyone should be able to vote and take part in their government. Article 22. Right to social security. Anyone should be able to vote and take part of their government. Article 22. Right to social security. Anyone has the right to social support to ensure a good quality of life. Article 23. Right to work. Anyone has the right to work, choose their job, and get fair pay. Article 24. Right to rest. People have the right to rest and leisure and reasonable working hours. Article 25. Right to independent living. Anyone deserves food, clothing, shelter, health care, and a good living standard. Article 26. Right to education. Anyone has the right to education, especially basic education. Article 27. Participate in culture. People can join cultural, artistic, and scientific activity. Article 28. Right to a just world. Anyone has the right to social international order where rights are respected. Article 29. Duties to community. People have responsibilities to help their community grow and ensure another right. Article 30. No one can destroy those rights. No government or person can take away or ignore those human rights. Those are 30 Article 30. Thank you.
So, good day, sir. Uh, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, or UDHR, is a document created in 1948 after World War II to define the basic rights everyone should have. It serves as a global agreement on what these fundamental rights are, ensuring ensuring to apply to all people everywhere. Understanding and upholding these rights is crucial to prevent injustice and protect everyone's dignity. So ang UDHR gihimo pagkahuman sa World War II atong 1948. Kini nag-give og agreement kung unsay basihan nga mga rights sa each katawo and mga rights or katungod nga naa kay para sa tanan bisan asa. It's important to know and to obey aron malikayan ang injustice o oppressive. So let's talk about article. So article number 1, all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. These are include with the reason and conscience with and should not toward one another in a spirit of brotherhood. Article number 2, everyone is entitled to all rights and freedom set forth in the declaration without distinction of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political, and other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status. Furthermore, no declaration shall be made on the basis of the political, just national or international status of country or territory to which of people belongs. This is the independent trust, non-self-governing, or understanding any other's limitation of sovereignty. Article number 3. Everyone has the right to life, to life, liberty, and secure of person. Article number 4. No one shall be held in the slavery or servitude, slavery, and slave trade shall be prohibited in all their forms. Article number 5. No one shall be subjected to torture or to recur inhuman or degrading treatment of punishment. Article number 6. Everyone has the right to recognize everywhere as a person before the law. Article number 7. All are equal before the law and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection of the law. All are entitled to equal protection against any discrimination or violation of this declaration and against any incitement to such discrimination. So, here's another uh, law, sir. Article. So, Article number 20. Freedom as assembly. People can rather peacefully in groups or organization. Article 21. Participation in government. Everyone should be able to vote and take part in their government. Article 22. Right to social security. Everyone has the right to equal support to ensure a good quality of life. Article 23. Right to work. Everyone has the right to work, choose their job, and get fair pay. Article 24. Right to rest. People have the right to rest, leisure, and responsible working hours. Article 25. Right to adequate living. Everyone deserves food, clothing, shelter, healthcare, and a good living standard. Article 26. Right to education. Everyone has the right to education, especially basic education. Article 27. Participation in culture. People can join cultural, artistic, and scientific activities. Article 28. Right to a just world. Everyone has the right to a social and international order where rights and respected. Article 29. Duties to the community. People have responsibilities to help their community grow and ensure other rights. Article 20. No one can destroy these rights. No government or person can take away or ignore these human rights.